Couture sewing goes beyond the ordinary. It's about meticulous attention to detail, flawless execution, and creating garments that stand the test of time. Join me as we explore the techniques that set couture sewing apart from the rest. First up, the lost art of hand sewing. Discover the beauty of the slip stitch, the catch stitch, and the timeless backstitch. These techniques not only provide strength and durability, but also lend an exquisite finish to your creations. Precision is paramount in couture. Learn the art of impeccable cutting and fitting. From perfectly matched seams to meticulous darts, every detail contributes to the overall elegance of your garment. Say goodbye to exposed seams. Couture sewing embraces the refinement of French seams and the luxury of Hong Kong finishes. Elevate the inside of your garments to the same level of beauty as the outside. The devil is in the details, and couture sewing excels in them. Master the technique of hand-rolled hems, adding a touch of grace to skirts, dresses, and sleeves. It's the subtle details that make all the difference. In conclusion, couture sewing is an art form that celebrates craftsmanship and tradition. Join me on this sewing odyssey as we explore the techniques that have graced the runways and red carpets for generations. Your journey into couture sewing starts now. Let the stitches tell the story. Like, comment, subscribe.